Hey gorgeous! Are you ready to level up your mornings and take control of your day? Today we're diving into the ultimate productive morning routine that will have you feeling motivated and ready to slay your day. So let's jump right in. Wake up early. Waking up early is like giving yourself a head start. Now, I know this might sound tough, but getting up even 30 minutes earlier can make a huge difference. You'll have extra moments to breathe, plan, and get ready without feeling rushed. Plus, giving yourself extra time in the morning is key to staying productive. Create a morning routine. Creating a morning routine doesn't have to be super fancy. You can start with simple tasks like making your bed, doing a little stretch, or saying positive daily affirmations. These cute little habits set the mood for a positive and organized day. Hydrate. Drinking water first thing in the morning is amazing for your skin and overall health. Make sure to drink a full glass of water every morning, and you can also add some lemon or cucumber to your water for a refreshing twist. Eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is essential, so don't skip it. A healthy breakfast fuels your body and gives you that energy boost to stay focused. So start your morning off right by refueling your body with a healthy, balanced breakfast. Plan your day and set small goals. Now, grab your cutest planner or journal, and let's take a moment to map out your day. Prioritize what needs to be done and break your tasks into small manageable goals. The best part is checking things off your list, which gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated. Exercise. Time to move your body. Just 15 to 20 minutes of fun exercise can totally boost your energy and keep you fit. Whether it's some relaxing yoga, a quick run, or dancing to your favorite songs, just get that body moving. Avoid distractions. Make sure to put your phone away, and avoid distractions by staying off social media in the morning so you can really focus on what matters. Trust me, you'll get so much more done. Tidy up your space. A clean space equals a clear mind. Tidying up your room or workspace instantly creates a calm and productive environment. Not only does it help you focus better, but it also just feels so satisfying to have everything in its place. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes for some me time. Whether it's meditating, deep breathing, or jotting down things you're grateful for in a journal. It's a great way to feel calm, grounded, and ready to take on the day with positive vibes. Work on something new. Challenge yourself to work on something new, whether it's picking up a fun hobby, reading a fresh book, or starting a little creative project. Mornings are the perfect time to dive into personal growth. Prepare the night before. Make preparations the night before to ensure that you have everything you need when you get up and that you have no excuses. Preparing the night before can make your mornings way smoother. This will save you so much time and reduce stress the next morning. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments which ones you'll try tomorrow morning, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.